How to post multiple photos on Facebook in one post. Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll guide you on how you can post multiple photos on Facebook in one post. Now, to do so first, what you want to do is open up the Facebook app and you'll find the option what's on your mind right there on the screen at the home page. Tap on what's on your mind and then you'll get an option to upload photo or video. There you can see the option. Simply tap on it. Once you select it or open it up, you'll find the option select multiple at the top right corner of the screen just below the camera icon you can see, and if you tap on it, you'll be able to select multiple pictures by simply tapping there. Now, if you don't find the select multiple option at the top right corner of the screen, what you can do is simply tap and hold on a single picture that you want to upload, and then you can select other pictures as well. So this way you can select the multiple pictures and simply tap on next. And once you do this, you'll be add caption to your pictures and then simply tap on post and your pictures will be posted. So this way you can post multiple photos on Facebook in one post. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.